Yo! What's good, everybody? We got a whole lot of MT. And you guys know what time it is, bro. They cannot cheese us today.
Nope.
In this back right here, guys, we give a big thank you for a guy named Harry. Hashtag Harry. Harry,
not so Harry.
Harry, he donated 2 million plus MT to me, guys. And I appreciate it so much, man. Long time viewer, bro. So, let's go and get to it, guy. Let's go ahead and spray the little packs right here, man. Because 2K, they can't cheat us now.
Nothing.
You know what would troll us? We'll go through all this MT right here, and they'll give us one. I'm gonna get 2, you get 2.
Okay.
Alright? So I'm gonna get 2 pubs, you get 2 pubs. Alright?
2 puffs?
2 pubs, dog. Alright?
Okay.
You can charge it, you not charge it?
Yeah.
See your hand, let me see. You not?
I've done this before. Not with you, but
Oh,
nothing.
you don't know how to do it.
Yes, I do.
Here goes the goddamn trolls. Here goes the troll, bro. No matter how much you spent, if you guys know how much
Drinking soda.
Watch this, man. Watch this. Why they trolling us? Okay, we're working on something.
I'm in the lead.
No, the foot.
Put your shoe back
Man,
on
look,
for the
Ashley,
love of
Ashley,
my life.
Ashley, I'm dying here.
I'm dying.
We got no. Listen, just take the phone. I mean, the order. Just take the phone, Ashley. Come on. Put it right here. Put it right here. Come on, just take the phone. Just take the phone. Put it. Take the phone. Just take the phone. Bruh. We get the asses playing in the league right now. I'd be surprised they don't book. I'm surprised they'll make them bronze next year. You hit that shit, huh?
Yeah.
You hit that shit, huh? It's like putting coffin, huh? It's that good. It's that loud. That's that dude. The ball up. It's the wig. It's got to be the wig, bro. Yes, guys. I am sponsored by Miracle Grow. You guys didn't know. There you go. Go back. There you go back.
Nice bangs.
Run it! Yo, cheesing! Just sell it! Just sell everything! I don't care, just sell it! We haven't got no one!
Finally!
Oh, gosh.
Please don't be Kevin Garnett. Please don't be Dirk.
You ready?
Let's not look.
Alright, we both not gonna look bad. Come on, you hold my eyes, I'll hold yours. Come on. Look. Your hands are so fucking small, god damn. Come on. Don't look. Oh gosh. Don't look, Ashley. You looking!
No, I'm not!
You scared?
Yes.
I know, me too. Oh, that sound so good. He said, if it was Jordan, he said, ah. It was Dominic, we would say, Hur. If it was Elijah, would say, yeet. He said, ah.
You want me to look first?
Hold on. Yeah. Hold on. Sneak review. Ha! Don't! I swear if KGM died. No! What?
can't win, Cassius. We can't.
Sign.
That what?
We got 3 times, so 3 more packs. That's a sign, baby.
How about
That's
30 more packs?
Oh, hell nah! Hoo-ah!
Why not?
Nigga, I spent about fucking 400k plus. It's a sign, baby. It's a sign. Watch. Watch, baby. Watch. Watch, baby. Watch. It's all good. It's all good. It's a sign, baby. 2 more. 2 more, baby. No.
You never tried that.
I'm not doing no fucking girl.
Talk like a girl. You've never done that.
I ain't got no.
Do it for the Ruby Jordan.
I ain't got
Do
no.
it for the Ruby Jordan. Think about it. Think about it. Think how great it would be to have that Ruby Jordan. Just dream about it all night, every night. Just think about how great, how stacked your team would be. This is what you have to do. How can you tell?
Shut up. Stop.
I have a problem. I have a problem. I have a problem.
Stop.
I can't. I have a problem. I can't. I need to go to PAX Anonymous.
YouTube?
YouTube? YouTube?
When you signed up?
Last week.
No.
Yeah, that's when it, the peak. That's when it peaked. It got the best of me.
I still haven't win.
You signed up though, right?
I signed up.
Yes! You were gonna quit. You were gonna quit. You.
Watch. Watch. Don't look. Go open it.
No, because every time we don't look, we get KG.
No. I'm gonna look. I already know. Sis, you got the bed? Go. Flick it.
I'm scared.
Flick it, numbers.
Who is it? Who is it, babe? Babe!
If this is fucking KG, oh my god.
Baking soda, I got baking soda.
Give me KG.
Baking soda, I got baking soda.
Had to come back one more.
Okay, this time you don't look and I'll look. Because remember last time I pulled Emerald Anthony Davis? You didn't look and I looked. Okay. It's not KG! Look! It's not!
I knew it, Kobe.
It's good!
It's good, babe. It's good, babe. It's good. Good job.
Baking soda, I got baking soda.
Good job.
You
Good job.
said-
Baking soda,
It's all
I
good.
got baking soda.
Huh?
We're not quitting.
What?
Because they're hot right now, Cassius.
Hide my hands, nigga. Hide my motherfucking pockets.
Listen. No, I had, like,
We got the motherfucking Kobe.
I told you.
Oh shit, the camera. It's orange. It's orange. Don't show my face. Last one, I promise. Last one. Crackhead style. Shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Baking
Oh my
soda,
god!
I got baking soda.
Wait, eat! Wait, eat! Let's go.
I think it's Dirk.
Ah! Yay!
I told you it was Dirk.
Clutch it, babe. Clutch it. Why you not bronze yet?
Okay, one more. This is for all of you wonderful new viewers that have joined us. 4,000 is our highest viewer count as to date. This is for you. Babe, I feel bad. All I got them was Anthony Tolliver.
Make it 2.
A bonus.
Nigga, we some crackheads. we some fiend crackheads.
Oh, we can't end it with a white dude. Come on.
Excuse me? Excuse me?
Okay, last one. For sure, for sure. Last one. Last pack.
Excuse me?
Oh, well. Tattoo man. Hey, this is all him now. It's not me.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh!
Oh my god!
God is good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Was it good for you?
Fuck is goddamn sick.
It was good for me.
Oh shit.
Baking soda, I got baking soda. Baking soda, I got baking soda.
We're having pack 6.
Alright guys, I think we got my voice gone. I need to sip the tea on that.
Sip the tea.